Hope you had a great weekend. And boy, do we have a ton of interesting and juicy news for you, especially about chatbots. Let's get into it. First up, we've got Grok, which is the XAI company, which Elon Musk owns, the artificial intelligence company that he started a little while ago. Grok is his chatbot. He's going to be releasing that soon, and we'll have more details on that in a little bit of how you actually can use it. But the users that do have access to it, it's going to be a spicy chatbot. So what they mean by that, it will also answer spicy questions that are rejected by most other AI systems. And it's not going to be great when it's first released because it's only been trained for 2 months. But the cool thing about it is it's going to have that spicy factor.
Let me add a little bit of spice.
Other chatbots like ChatGPT are not spicy at all. And one of the things that they've done really, they've really killed it. Here's an example right here. I've been using ChatGPT for almost a year now, and recently it's really gotten bad. It's censoring out a lot of things. If you're trying to create images on ChatGPT via DALL-E 3, it's starting to censor things. So for example, I created a prompt the other day, create a picture of Elon Musk on a surfboard, right? They won't even let you create the image of Elon Musk because it's a public figure. It's crazy, and that happens a lot. Or if you want a summary about Elon Musk or you want an opinion about Elon Musk, they will censor his name out of the output, which is nuts. Hopefully this Grok does not do that, and it's not going to censor and kill all these chatbots, because it's hard to even use the chatbots if they censor everything. You have to add 20 different prompts and try to trick the chatbot into giving you what you want. It's just a real pain in the butt, not fun. So Grok really sounds like it's gonna not do that, which is a breath of fresh air. Elon Musk tweeted this. He gives a pretty uncensored example of what he's actually talking about. So in this tweet, he asks Grok, why is scaling API requests hard? And this is a Grok prompt, and there's 2 versions of this. The first version is the PG version, and the second version is the rated R version. So he just says, scaling API requests is like trying to keep up with a never-ending orgy. You've got all these horny bastards constantly coming at you, and you've got to keep the action going without getting completely overwhelmed. You need to make sure that your bedroom or the API infrastructure can handle the load without turning into a total, and you can fill in the blank right there. So it's pretty crazy. I've worked with Mistral before, which you can find on Hugging Face Spaces. It's similar to that. Basically, it sounds like Elon's going to let you chat with anything, and as long as you're not breaking the law, it's going to be totally free speech, which is great because, again, using ChatGPT nowadays is not fun, and it kind of sucks, to be honest. So that's it for that story. Let's jump into the next story. We're going to get into Midjourney, and again, it's this theme over the weekend that all these new stories about chatbots and image generation tools came out. So Midjourney came out with a style tuner, and it's a very cool thing what you can do. So a lot of times when you're using Midjourney, you want to get a specific style for an image, and you want to reuse that style over and over again. So for example, one style I like to use is pop art. So I'll add pop art at the end of the chat prompt in Midjourney, and it will create a pop art type theme for any image that I want, which is really cool. Now, what if you want to make your own style? Well, you can also do that. And this is what this tool is specifically for. So what you do is you type in /tune. We'll do an example right now in Discord. Here's an old one I did, but we'll do it again. So /tune, create an image of the New York City sky. Okay, so we'll do that. So it's just like using Imagine, except you're going to use Tune, and you can pick how many styles you want it to output. So the more styles you output, the more fine-grained your style is going to be. So we'll stick with the default, which is 32 directions, hit submit, and you just got to hit, are you sure? So it's going to cost you a little bit, but if you have a subscription, that's fine. It will just take down your subscription hours a little bit quicker than normal. We're going to wait here while it does its job. Okay, so it's ready. Now what you do is you just click this link here, and it's going to take you to this style tuner page. Now, you're just going to go down this whole website, and you're going to pick which image you like best. You pick that one, and that's it. Now what you do is you copy this code right here, and anytime you create an image in Midjourney, so we'll just create something, field of flowers, and then hit -- style and paste in that code. So you can save that code, and whatever you picked in that last page, that style is going to be saved, and you can apply it to anything. It doesn't have to be about the skyline of New York City, how we created the tune, but that style can be applied to anything you use in the future for Midjourney, which is incredible. So we'll see how this works here. All right, so there we go. It outputted the style like we picked for those 32 pictures before in the last screen. So it's really cool. I mean, that's exactly the type of picture I like, my kind of style. So we'll blow it up here, see what it looks like a little bit bigger. And you can save tons of styles. It's unlimited. So you can have 100 different styles you use. You can bookmark them, use them again, and choose different styles for anything you want. They're all custom. Very, very, very awesome. So that's it. We can see the large version right there. And there we go. So that's implemented right now. You can use it right now if you have a subscription to Midjourney. Now, the final story tonight is that ChatGPT new details got leaked. A user on Twitter, CHOI, shared a complete list of leaked features. OpenAI will announce the Gizmo tool, which specializes in creating, managing, and selecting custom chatbots. So a sandbox provides an environment to import, test, and modify existing chatbots. So basically, they're letting you create your own chatbot. So it's going to give your chatbot kind of a personality. You can create any kind of chatbot you want. Like if you want a chatbot that's specifically for scientists, or specifically for sports, or specifically for celebrity news, or anything like that, you can create that. You can share them. You can do whatever you want with them. Very awesome. So they have knowledge files. You can add additional files to your chatbot if you want to upload documents. We talked about that in our last news release. Tools, web browsing, image creation. You can view and analyze your chatbot data usage. So you can share your chatbot with other people and analyze the data usage, who's using it, how many views it has, how many uses, things like that. You can test and create your chatbot live. I'm not going to go over every single one, but some of the best features out there. Additionally, the company is also introducing new enterprise subscriptions and workplace management. The team plan is available for $30 per month or $25 per month for an annual subscription. The team plan is very cool because you'll be able to share your prompts and things like that with a team of people. So imagine if you had a small startup and you wanted to share your ChatGPT prompts and history, you can do that now and allow your team to log into their own account, but share the account on ChatGPT. And lastly, the other thing is ChatGPT is going to have these context connectors. So you'll be able to link your Google Drive and Microsoft 365 to ChatGPT, which is awesome because it will see all of your data in those places, like on Google Drive, and it can learn all about those things. So say if your Google Drive is filled with business documents and you want to search those business documents very easily or give you summaries on things, you'll be able to do that instantly when this tool is released, as long as you allow ChatGPT to scan that. Now, be careful because, ChatGPT privacy isn't great. Like I think they do say in their terms of service that whatever they scan, they can sort of use for whatever they want. I mean, just be careful. But that's it. Very exciting news, especially for chatbots. That's all we got for tonight. We appreciate you tuning in. Please subscribe to these nightly news videos. Also, subscribe to our email newsletter at fry-ai.com/subscribe. We will see you tomorrow night. Have a great evening. Take care. This is Ryan signing out. Bye.